Audio Jungle.
Yo, what's up guys, how you doing today? My name is Daniel and welcome to another video. Today I've got for you something fucking special. We are going to take a look on the probably best designed made eToro dividend tracker available. Okay, so link is down in the description. Go there, click on the link, it will open this website. What you have to do now is you have to make a copy because you cannot write anything here. It's locked. So you go to file and you make a copy. Let's call it the eToro video. Okay, so we've got a copy. Now we can close the old tab. What you have to do now is you have to go to your eToro profile and we need to take our account statement. So we go to portfolio, then we click on this clock, that is history. Then we go to the right side, we click on this setting button and right here we have account statement. We go there. Well, I don't know when did you start trading on eToro, but you can choose any year when did you start it. For this video we're gonna choose only the last month, so from March till April. So I click on March, okay, and I click on generate. It brings us to this page where we have up here two options. We have PDF option and XLS option. Always choose this XLS. So we export it. Now once it will download, we drag it on the desktop. Now we can close eToro. Now we have to go on Google and write my drive. We go to our Google Drive. As you can see, we have already the eToro video file here. And now what we're gonna do, we're gonna drag there our downloaded account statement. Once it's there, we're gonna open it. And now we have to save it as Google Sheets. So again, we go up here onto the file and click on Save as Google Sheets. Once it is saved, we can close the old one. Go back to the Google Drive. As you can see, we got here the new file. We can delete the old one. Now we right click on our new file and we click on Get Link. We change restricted to anyone with the link. Copy the link and done. Now we put the link into the browser. Once it's loaded, now listen very carefully. You're gonna click on the search bar and what you have to do, you're gonna copy everything from this D until edit. So we copy it. Now we can close this one. We go back to our eToro video. We're gonna click down here on the settings and right here this empty column link/key, we're gonna copy paste there our link and now we click enter. Now we will wait until it's load. We can go to stats. As you can see right here down on the right side we have a dividend income. So in 1 month we've made $1.85 in dividends. Of course yours gonna be different because you're gonna put your year when did you start trading on eToro. As you can see, there's still not 2021, we are waiting for that 2021 version, but your total dividend will be here. And let's say if you started in 2020 or 2019, 2018, at each of these months there will be your dividend. For example, we go here on transactions. Right here we can see the dividends amount. So we received 4 dividends. These are the positions that we opened in the last couple of days. When we go onto data, we can see they're gonna upgrade this and they're gonna add ex-dividend date, payable date, dividend per share and frequency. I'm gonna make a 100% update when they will. Okay, and what am I going to do now is I'm going to do the same thing from my stats from 2020. So you will see how it actually looks like, but I'm gonna blur some details that I shouldn't provide you with. Okay, so shit, I did it. It took quite some time, even on my MacBook. So when you're uploading a file from like 1 year ago, 2 years or 3 years ago, it's gonna take some time. But as you can see here, so in 2020, our portfolio made overall $381 in dividends and the total dividend is $411. Here on the right side you can see when did the dividend come. $270 of dividends in October only. That's crazy. I mean, last year was huge for dividends because most of the companies dropped significantly and well, we got some minus 0.5 cents in April. What the fuck is that? So as you can see, there is no 2021, but see the total dividend and you can compare it with your 2020. When I click on dividend income, up here we've got here a month. All our transactions, Jesus Christ, it's so long. So yeah guys, this is like, you don't need to add stocks manually. You don't need to add tickers manually. You just take your statement from eToro, you upload it here, and it's gonna calculate automatically. It can really help you with your taxes, for example. So yeah guys, it's all for today's video. If you know a better eToro dividend tracker, let me know. I can check it up and tell you what do I think about it. And yeah, I also want to make more tutorials in future with Google spreadsheets or Excel, you know, some graphs, some tabs, etc. So yeah, if you like this video, please smash that like button, subscribe so you will not miss any new videos, comment, share, and yeah, see you next time. Peace.